What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. We're looking at Quant, thank you guys for your patience. And yesterday, at some point, Quant was front running the market. We told you guys that since we broke above the one, as long as we can stay above it, we should be heading to the 1.272, to the 1414. And if I get this support just there around that body, you can see that we hit that target right there. So before the line was a bit above that body, but we really want it touching that green candle right there, and you can see exact touches. So it has hit the target, the next target. So the first two targets have now been met. Now we're just waiting for that last one. Will Quant continue to pump, or will it eventually come back and follow Bitcoin and whatnot? Because we know that Bitcoin has just rolled over yesterday, which we predicted. So make sure every day you're starting off your day with the Bitcoin video. It's so important because, you know, going forward, what's happening with Quant and what's happening with any other coin that you're personally in. And if I can't do a video on a certain day, you at least have that Bitcoin video to go off. It's just yesterday Quant decided to obviously front run the market or do its own thing, so at least we got a video out for you on that. I was just having a lot of struggles uploading yesterday. I did record other videos, just couldn't even get them out. Tried to live stream, that didn't even work in the end, so I'm going to try and live stream later on today. I might not have time, but if I do have time I really will try. But no worries, if not I will try and get them started sometime next week. But yeah, you can see that we've now met the target out of the broadening falling wedge. So you've actually come up and met the target over here, the highest body candle close. So that target's now done. Usually when a target's done, it likes to make a pattern in the other trend basically. So we've had a bullish target, now we should get a bearish one, so we need a bearish pattern to form. So let's say now you can see a lot of wick rejections here. This might signal that, well, at the moment we should come down basically, because we have started an uptrend. However, we are in a downtrend, but we've started an uptrend, so it's confusing. So of course, if we zoom out, we're in this large downtrend, but you've just put in a higher low, so this could be the start of an uptrend. And if we're just looking in this location, you've started to make higher highs. So this is a low, this is a higher low, this is a higher low, and potentially this is a higher low. Now we could come down, so I'm not too focused on this one, but at least we can see from the previous one we got some a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and then a higher high. So now we need to put in that higher low at least above this level, at least above $115 to get some continuation. But you can see also, if we're looking at this area now, you are in a downtrend with highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So of course it's a bit of a confusing one, because in a larger downtrend, potentially starting a larger uptrend, starting a small uptrend in this small downtrend is confusing. But basically now your target's been met over here at 133. We need to obviously potentially get a pullback, and it's confusing now because if we're just focused on this uptrend over here, if we're just focused on here, every time we get a wick it's basically signaling the high. So this now is the high, this was our lowest point, so I could now measure from here to there with some fibs. So from there to there we can come down to the 0618 at $120. We have done that there with yesterday's candles, and today as well with that wick just touching the 618. So this could already be good for the continuation. But guys, I wouldn't personally say that this is going to go up if Bitcoin's not, because we saw H bar yesterday breaking out, right? But Bitcoin hadn't. And obviously H bar continued a little bit, but eventually it became a fake out and it continued following Bitcoin. So for a moment it wasn't following Bitcoin, it was going up while Bitcoin wasn't, and then Bitcoin started going down, and that's what dragged H bar dramatically down, and it was very negative. So could that be what's happening now, especially now that we've obviously run into two resistance points? The second one, you couldn't even close up there with bodies. You couldn't even close above the first resistance point with bodies. So it's showing some signs of weakness. However, because we're in this short-term uptrend, this could just be a short-term pullback to continue and put in that higher high. But we also need to realize this is still a larger downtrend. So now that we met a bullish target in this downtrend, we could actually be continuing the downtrend. So this is what we need to watch out for. If I measure from the top over here to the bottom, you can see that at the moment we're running into the 0618. So all we've done is come down impulsively. We're correcting back up, potentially for the continuation down to lose this low at $90. This is something that can potentially happen. So I want to make you guys aware of it, because this is how the fibs should be used. Of course, you can still get rejected and come down and not lose this low, but I'm just showing you what should happen. A movement like this, basically push, exhaustion, continuation, like a ABC basically. So hopefully we get above the 618, but we would need Bitcoin to go up. And if Bitcoin does have some more bearish targets and it can't hold the support it's currently at, then it will continue rolling, and then we should see Quant reject the 0618. However, if Bitcoin starts pumping and that brings Quant above the 0618, then potentially we could head back to the 1 at $160. And if we can break that key resistance, you can see you'd be breaking out of this larger double bottom like that. And I've already given you the target out of the double bottom at $260, but we've also got a 1618 target. Once we break above 160, our 1618 target is at $225 for Quant. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. We need to get to 2K subs ASAP, so go ahead and smash the thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bells on. If you're interested in following my Twitter, that's Louis_crypto. The link is always in the description down below. Go follow BitBay Crypto. Her link is in the description down below. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTuber's help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.